Maintaining that perfect green lawn takes more than just mowing and watering. While those will definitely help, your lawn is going to need proper nourishment in order to fight off any pest damage, encroaching weeds, or even potential lawn diseases. If you're new to lawn care, fertilizing when done right is one of the best things you can do for your grass. So in this video, we'll talk about what fertilizer is, why it's important, and how to use it, all for the beginner's perspective. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the icon in the top right of the screen, or click the link in the description below. Fertilizer is a formulated product that contains nutrients necessary for plant growth. These nutrients are nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, sometimes referred to as NPK. Once the fertilizer is applied to the soil, these nutrients are absorbed by the grass, pushing the grass to grow. Our grass needs to stay fed and healthy in order to stave off any diseases, fight off weeds, and recover from minor pest damage. If the grass isn't strong enough, then signs and symptoms of these problems will appear in the lawn, creating unattractive spots that signal something is wrong. While the soil can supply our grass with some essential nutrients, it can't do it over the length of an entire growing season. Here's where fertilizer is needed. As grass grows, especially during its growing season, it consumes a lot of energy stored in its roots. You can apply fertilizer to replenish the energy and keep your grass growing strong and healthy. When it comes to selecting the right fertilizer, look for the three big numbers usually displayed on the front of the bag. This is the fertilizer's NPK ratio, and it tells you how much nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are in the fertilizer. Another important number to look for is the bag's weight. Many granular fertilizers are sold in 50-pound bags. Let's look at Solution's 15-5-10 weed and feed fertilizer with Trimec. According to the NPK ratio, this fertilizer is 15% nitrogen, 5% phosphorus, 10% potassium, and this fertilizer is sold in a 50-pound bag. So in this entire bag of fertilizer, there's 7.5 pounds of nitrogen, 2.5 pounds of phosphorus, and 5 pounds of potassium. So, how do you know if you even need this kind of fertilizer? Well, this is when you'll need to get a soil test done. A soil test measures the amount of each element within the soil, so it'll tell you if your soil is lacking in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and any other nutrients your soil may be in need of. You can buy soil test kits for a low cost at many big box stores, or submit a soil sample for testing with your local agricultural extension. This information is valuable when it comes to selecting the right fertilizer for your lawn. If you find your soil is oversaturated with nitrogen, then you may want to consider a slow-release fertilizer. Too much nitrogen in a lawn can actually encourage weeds and diseases or burn your grass's roots, so a slow-release fertilizer will temper the amount of nitrogen your lawn receives. Before you get started, the first thing you should do is put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. Before fertilizing your lawn, do an inspection and look for any signs of weed activity or lawn disease. These will need to be dealt with first, as fertilizer can actually increase the damage from any active weeds or fungi. If you find any weeds like dollarweed, clover, or dandelion, use an herbicide like MSM Turf. MSM Turf is a selective post-emergent herbicide that's great for treating a wide variety of broadleaf weeds on warm and cool season grasses. If you find any signs of lawn disease, then use Patch Pro. Patch Pro is a fungicide that's labeled to deal with diseases like brown patch, dollar spot, powdery mildew, and snow mold. It may take several weeks after treating to see results, so plan to treat these from your lawn well before you plan to apply fertilizer. Once you've confirmed there are no active weeds or diseases, get your lawn's soil temperature. Depending on the time of year, your soil shouldn't be too cool or too warm when you apply fertilizer. In spring, you'll want to apply fertilizer when the soil temperature warms to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. In fall, you'll want to apply fertilizer before temperatures drop too low, about 6 weeks before the first frost of the year. After checking all these, then you're ready to make your fertilizer application. First, determine how much fertilizer you'll need by calculating the square footage of the area you wish to treat. To get the area's square footage, measure and multiply the area's length by its width. Your fertilizer's label may provide an application rate to help you get started. Solution's 15-5-10 Weed and Feed recommends you apply 3.2 to 4.0 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet of turf grass. So, if you've measured an area of 2,000 square feet, you would need to apply between 6.4 and 8.0 pounds of 15-5-10 fertilizer to your yard. With a granular fertilizer, load your measured amount of product into a calibrated push spreader and broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across the area. Then, broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Be sure to walk at an even pace to ensure an even spread across your entire yard. Once the product is fully applied, water it in. Once you've made your fertilizer application, observe your lawn over the next few weeks. You should start to notice results from your fertilizer about 1 week after application. Most fertilizers are designed to release nutrients over a span of 4 to 6 weeks, while a slow-release fertilizer can take 6 to 8 weeks. If you feel a follow-up application is necessary, be sure to check your fertilizer's label before doing so. Solution's 15-5-10 fertilizer allows for follow-up applications 30 days after the initial application. Generally, the best time to make fertilizer applications are early spring and early fall, but some homeowners feel it necessary to fertilize their lawns up to 4 times each growing season. It all depends on their turf, their soil, and what fertilizers they're using. Fertilizers are essential tools for any homeowner tasked with lawn maintenance. Even if it's your first time applying fertilizer, you're now equipped to do so like a pro. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can achieve and maintain the green lawn you've always wanted, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.